We have completed most of the demolition efforts. We have installed a beautiful custom laundry drain for them while we do this work so that they can continue to do the laundry for all of their 6-person family. Craziness. In this day and age anyways. Coming through here, we used to have a bathroom here, no longer. Through here, we've got a bedroom that we are almost finished re-renovating so that one of their children can move in there and be in comfort while we do the rest of the space down here. This is going to be a hallway going down towards a rec room, an office, and a gym. Over here will be a bathroom. Bathroom here. So we're going to have to reroute some plumbing and, deal with some ducting and whatever else. I actually use this project as a learning opportunity for some of my project management team. I think one of the most important things we do as construction managers, especially in the renovation space, is come up with unique and effective solutions to solve problems. A lot of times people will see a hurdle or an obstacle that gets in the way and be like, well, can't do anything other than this, can't do anything other than that. There's almost always a different solution that's better, and more often than not, like egregiously expensive. So, here at Sprucehill, we're looking for practical ways to make your renovation look amazing, function amazing, and not cost a small fortune to get done. Anyways, I'm really looking forward to showing you the progress on this project. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day.